Hello everyone, I'm Bilago. Welcome to yet another awesome video. Today I bring to you guys this urgent information because it's going to affect a lot of people, especially those who have not done facial enrollment, okay, or facial verification. Now, first of all, you have to do enrollment before you do facial verification. Okay, so why am I saying this? On Monday being the day for the weekly meeting, the TBC admin released this article with screenshot of how the new TBC 009 wallet is going to look like. Okay, and here are some of the things he had to say in the article. So he's saying that the upgrade to the TBC wallet is coming for free, and it will have a blockchain explorer. Kudos to that, yet to be seen. It will have every currency from every country and every cryptocurrency cryptocurrency from the coin market cap in it. So what he's trying to say is that if you want to see the value of TBC in naira, you will see it. If you want to see in Dogecoin, you will see it. If you want to see Dashcoin or Dascoin or whatever cryptocurrency that is in the market, you can see the value. Okay, it does not mean that you will see Bitcoin instead of seeing your TBC. Your TBC is there. You're only seeing the equivalent in Bitcoin or in any currency of your choice that you choose. Already, Bitcoin is already there in the existing wallet, so you can see the value in Bitcoin. But outside that, you can now see other currencies and cryptocurrency. Now, also, this is a new development that I've been clamoring for, which is there will be enough Kringle digits available. You could even do a 1 cent transaction in any currency in the world. Payments show up fast, and like in 1 to 3 seconds, if you have a high speed connection to the internet. As always, we offer a zero transaction fee. Okay, that's been normal, zero transaction fee. So if you combine Blockchain Explorer with zero transaction fee and with being able to do transactions below the price of 1 Kringle, then I think the wallet is now finally is going to be set, but I'm still going to wait for its execution. And it's the most beautiful cryptocurrency in the world, fast, secure, free. So when is this happening? Okay, on June 15, 2020, we will shut down all TBC transactions, and then on 17th June, we will return the transactions back on fully upgraded. If you haven't done facial recognition yet, you will have to get that done before you can log into the wallet. Remember the policy: one person, one account. Is a fraud to have more than one TBC wallet. Sorry, TBC discounters, you lose. So this is why I'm doing this video. Okay, the new features are good, but a lot of people are going to miss out of this because they don't have Kringle Cash account. And because they don't have Kringle Cash account, they are not able to do facial enrollment so that they can be able to do facial verification each time they want to log in. And now the TBC admin is going to link the facial recognition system or database to TBC 009, meaning that if you do not have any facial enrollment in the system, that means that you won't be able to access your TBC 009. So if you don't have a wallet, if you don't have Kringle Cash account to do so, contact me ASAP. All right, if you don't have a Kringle Cash out to do so, contact me. Okay, so I can help you sign up. And if you are those who have issues with your sell button because of transactions below or above the $1,000, then I advise you to get a new account if you still want to participate in TBC. Okay, so what am I saying? Make sure you do facial verification in your account. If you're having any issue, you can contact me. I can be able to tell you how I solved my own issue. And secondly, Secondly, once you do the facial verification, if you don't have a Kringle Cash account at all and you don't have send button at all, it means that you need to get a Kringle Cash account. So you come to me and I help you get your facial. I help you register for free for Kringle Cash. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. And another thing again is this: I noticed that there's been an update in terms of facial recognition, meaning that you can use multiple devices to access your account now. Let me explain. I had issue with my phone. My daughter crashed the screen of my phone, and I had to use my second phone to access my Kringle Cash account. I didn't expect it to work, but it worked. I was able to access my account, so which means that the restriction of using one device has been lifted, and you will now be able to use multiple devices to access your account. But at the same time, you still have to be very careful, because if people know your login details, they can be able to use your picture and do facial verification and login. So you just have to be smart about it, okay, and keep your records to yourself. All right guys, that's it for this video. Till I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.